Hi guys, welcome to Ideaship. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a power cord chewed by your pet. So let's get started. If you find this video useful, I'd love you to hit the like button so it can be spread to more people. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye for now.